Mm-hmm.
Hey everyone, happy Janmashtami. To celebrate, let's learn 5 useful English phrasal verbs to talk about all the festivities.
Dress up.
To dress up means to wear special clothes. For Janmashtami, many children love to dress up as Krishna or Radha.
Come together.
To come together means to gather as a group. For Janmashtami, our entire family will come together to celebrate.
Look forward to.
To look forward to something means you're excited for it. I always look forward to eating all the delicious homemade prasad.
Set up.
To set up means to arrange or prepare something. Before the puja, we need to set up the cradle for baby Krishna.
Stay up.
To stay up means to not go to bed. On Janmashtami, many devotees stay up until midnight for the main prayers. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for daily English tips.